You can always save your piss for later use. Always! Never forget!
From the shadows I come.
Well, of course, use it or lose it is a half-truth. Because no matter how much you use something, you will always lose it in the end. Ha! Once per week or so, you can try to run away from your problems and your anxiety. It probably won't work, but you can try. Actually, running like an idiot might have other benefits. There is a railway here. Yeah, so my recommendation is that you run as fast as you can. Of course, safety first, transition slowly, and variation, as per always. You can do it with or without shoes. Guess what I recommend? And when it comes to, how long you do it and everything, it's totally up to you. I would say that I recommend that you do it at least once per week. And you can do it with or without eating, drinking, blah, blah, blah. I am going to do it while dry fasting today because, it feels better actually. Even though it feels worse in some ways. Yeah, at least I won't be hindered by food or what have you. So, there are two different versions, and I'm going to show you both, of course. I highly recommend that you warm up before and cool down afterwards. That's it. Let's rock. It is totally up to you how often you do it, where you do it, for how long time you do it, and so on. However, I can totally recommend that you don't take into account if you feel like doing it or not. Because it's highly likely that you won't feel like doing it. And you can do it anyway. Hopp! Orange filter på cigaretterna. Ja, jag visste det. Illuminati confirmed. Det är så här de gör. Det är så här det går till. Ja. Step 1. Warm up. Aim for as much relaxation and focus as possible. However, that is hard since this is a stressing thing. So do it, do not overdo it. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to show you the two versions now. Version 1 is the anime version, or the simple version. Yeah, check it out. Let's do a little mid-run relaxation here, and then I'll show you version 2. Damn it! And of course this is just an example. However, I highly recommend that you do something of this nature once per week or what have you. It's totally up to you. Now I'm going to show you version 2. And the trick here is to run as fast as you can, kind of like a moron. Yeah, that's it. Now into the cool down. So, in the cool down, you simply lie down and catch your breath. Let your breathing normalize, and then you can get into deep breathing, inner body awareness, total stillness, or what have you. It's just an example. However, I highly recommend warming up before, cooling down afterwards. Yes, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, do try it out, and if it benefits you in any way, or should I say, if the pros outweigh the cons, keep it up occasionally, smationally.